Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to our Slimbox demo room again. You know, Slimbox is our solution that helps you creating packaging for whatever product. I mean, we can literally pack everything with our Slimbox, and you can do this if you have to pack only one item or you have to make 1,000 packages of it. No worries. Let's talk about something that is difficult that you have already encountered, I'm sure of it. What is the solution for these kind of things? Long, fragile objects that are small, so that don't have any stability from themselves. How can you pack this? Okay, this is one in plastic, but it also exists in more expensive materials, like inoxidable iron, for instance. You have these ones. We have a special box for this, but you have almost the same. I mean, these are also long objects, a bit smaller, and it is difficult to find standard boxes to package them. So let's show you how we do this with our Slimbox. Okay, for these different products, we got different types of boxes in our box catalog. I'll show you the software in another window. Let's start with this one. So it's fragile. We need just a rectangular long packaging. That is not difficult. We made something like FEFCO 503. You see these little mushrooms here. They will allow you to quickly clamp them into the box and package them very quickly. You got here also a lid that you can close up this profile, but we got also the version on our software without the lid. That is something when you want to close it up yourself with something else, but that's a possibility. So let me show you how it works. Very easy. Voilà. I just entered the measures and those fit exactly. So we've got this system, and then these little mushrooms. They allow you to quickly close it up. I will also apply a little bit of tape, but this way you can just leave it like that. Close up the tops, and you have a beautiful packaging. You see this. This is the same kind of thing. It has some weight, and I prepared a little box for it like this. So you've got the same thing with those little mushrooms that allow you to clamp easily the box. I used some glue to close it up, and then you've just got a beautiful result that is really a high-end solution to your customer. So, show you that it fits like a glove. You've got this one. Okay, this is the 503. This is a new box in the catalog, and it is accessible from now. That's the first one. So then I prepared the second one for you. A product like this one. So long, small, and fragile. For this, I prefer to work with triangles. Triangle boxes give you a huge strength. It's incredible. The weight you can put on it, it won't bend, it won't break. So that is really something special. The only thing is, a product like this isn't a triangle. So we've got solutions for that, and let me show you how we do this. Okay, let me just start with this tube. It has a length of 2 meters, so it's not easy. If you have to find a box for it, it is fragile, so that won't be easy. I just make a triangle like this, just from our machine. I put in diameter 3.2, because that's the diameter of this tube, and a length of 2 meters. It gives me this, and if I apply it, I just get this tube like that. You can close this up with tape. Today, feel like working with my brand new glue gun, so I'm going to just do it like that. Glue guns are very handy, but just remember to use glue that is especially made for cardboard boxes. So it's a lot easier, faster, and that makes your work easier. We have to close up the tops. I hope you can see. Okay, this already sticks, so that's super quick. And then you can close them up right here, also with some tape. And you got a product that is super strong and that you can send out to your transporters. Voila, this is a triangle. Okay, that's very interesting, but you don't always want to pack it in something as small as this. So I've got you something else. In our catalog, we added the possibility to create different inlays for your products. We have this with circles that you put in the diameter you want, but we have this also with triangles and then squares that you can put your dimensions in, just like I did for this one. So you print some of them. Just took like one length of the cardboard, printed some, and I just can put them around my product. And that depends on the strength of the product, how much you want to use them. You can do this, like for instance, with this plastic tube. Okay, it has not a lot of value and it has some strength, so don't use too much of them. But that depends. If this is a glass tube, I would use maybe 100 or something. Exaggerating, but okay. So you could put some out here. And maybe a last one at the other side. So we have something like this. Okay, and then just one last thing, that is we have to close up the box, and we do this the same way. We have this same kind of triangle, just have to apply them. That's all. This is the glue flap. The glue flap like this could also be the entire length of your cardboard, and that way you create an extra possibility to have some strength. So we got the same thing here. We have a little glue gun right here. So I'm just going to tape it and show you the results. Same both the layers. Apply that, fold it over, and in the meantime, this will stick. You can also do this, of course, with some tape, just to get it out. And then you got this beautiful result. Close up the top, and then you've got it packed. And the same thing is here. The strength is just incredible. So we can conclude that for the long and fragile packaging, we got with our Slimbox solution 2 different ways of packing it. We got the Fevco 503, which is a box like this, efficient and fast with its mushrooms. So that allows you to create something beautiful and send it to your customer. Or if you need some extra strength, I would advise to use a triangular box with or without the inlays that are specially made for it. So it depends really on the product you have to send. But if you have your own issues or questions with your own product that you're struggling with, just contact us and we'll contact you and see what we can do with your product. So don't hesitate, contact us about a Slimbox solution. We'll show you how it can work for your product or your company. Thank you very much and see you next time.